Did you order up a do everything, go anywhere couples coach that is as fashionable as it is functional? This is it. It is the 2025 Four Winds 24LV. I'm Steve from Thor Motor Coach, and 4 Thor features you are going to love about traveling in the 24LV. Number 1, check out the way this looks. This is the Raven Edition. Great paint job, blacked out wheels. I told you it was fashionable. Number 2, this is built on the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 4500 chassis. That means you get an unbelievable amount of occupant and cargo carrying capacity. On this particular 24LV, you ready? 2,599 pounds. That ties into feature number 3, the exterior storage. 78.2 cubic feet of storage. We are going to pull everything out, set this up, the bike, the cooler, the grill. This is great for outdoor living. And then feature number 4, you can never go wrong with the twin to wall conversion. I absolutely love it. So let's head inside and I'll meet you there. I love it back here. Right now we have the twin bed configuration set up. Plenty of room for me. Remember, the Department of Transportation has me at 6 foot 1/2 inch, and you can see I am stretched out. I still have plenty of room. Right back here, if I'd like to charge my phone or my tablet, there's a nice little net with USB-A ports. You have reading lights right up above here, so you can turn those on or off, not disturb the person over here. If you would like to put this into wall-to-wall bed mode, real easy to do. You flip this cushion over, soft side up. You simply pop that into place. Now you have wall-to-wall bedroom. Perfect for a lot of room if you travel with your golden retrievers like Dr. Kerbopoulos here. Plenty of room for your pets because everyone loves traveling with their pets. Reading lights over there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 storage cabinets up above. You have 110s underneath here, 110 and a cable outlet over there. You have roller blinds back here as well, so you can pull these down, block out the light, get privacy. There's also a door you can pull, and then you just cordon this whole area off. 2 closets, 1 on each side. This is really everything you need back here. You have a max air fan right here. Your AC is ducted, so you're gonna get plenty of cool air back here. And while we're back here, let's check out this new decor. This is called Nantucket Blue. The wood you see back here is part of the Malibu collection. 2-tone, we'll show you the white cabinets as we work our way up, but an absolutely fantastic bedroom in our Four Winds. Let's head on up and check out this bathroom. We have a split bath. Over here, we have our shower. Shower is on a wand. You have a skylight, so plenty of headroom there. And then as you open this door, everything you need back here. The medicine cabinet is huge. You have your foot flush toilet, your sink, tankless hot water on board, so everybody gets a hot shower on board the Four Winds. Vent fan right here midship, so if you have this door open, you can open that, suck out the steam from those hot showers. Can't leave this area without talking about the storage. We have a couple of drawers here and a nice drawer down here as well, so all kinds of storage just back here, and that leads us right into this kitchen. Here we go. Now you can see the gorgeous look of the 2-tone cabinets. We have the matching gold hardware and plenty of room inside these as well. Look at that. Full-size coffee maker. You have bowls, you have plates over here. Maybe you use this side as a pantry for some of your favorites. More storage down below. Cooking. All the tools you need are here. Microwave. This also has a air fryer feature, so you press air fryer, then you dial it in like you would on the countertop version of the air fryer, but you do it right in there. 3-burner gas cooktop. You have the glass cover for that as well. Remember, your propane needs to be on for this, and we will show you where that is as we head outside. Light switches here, so you can turn on the vent fan, you can turn on the under cabinet lighting, or you can turn on the over kitchen lights. Right from here, you have a large single bowl sink. Nice rollout cover here, so you can just wash, dry, and go. Everything you need here in the kitchen, including a 12-volt fridge. everything you need in here, fridge, freezer, and you have auto gen start on here as well. We'll show you where to set that up here in just a minute. So everything can stay nice and cold. Speaking of cold, this is going to be the thermostat for the 15,000 BTU AC. It is ceiling ducted again. All you have to do is close these vents, and then that air will not dump straight out of here, but flow through these vents, and you're going to have nice cold air throughout your four winds. Working on over to our theater seats. These are very comfortable. So a lot of options happen here. Right now, we're just gonna kick back and lounge, or maybe we're passengers for the ride. You're gonna have 4 seat belts in here, 2 here, driver seat, passenger seat, and sleeping for 3 in the four winds here. So this is set up. Maybe we're gonna put our feet up like this and watch TV. The TV is above the door. It is on a swivel mount, so you can position it exactly how you want. And then you can stream away. It's a smart TV, and standard on your four winds is the WineGuard Connect 2.0 4G hotspot and Wi-Fi extender. So set up your data plan, choose what works for you. It works with every carrier. Now you are a rolling hotspot, or when you are set up at camp, just tap into a nearby Wi-Fi signal, safe, secure web surfing, stream your favorite TV shows, whatever you need to use the interwebs for, you have it on board your four winds. This also turns into a nice place to work, have a meal. Pedestal table goes right here, sets up, and now we have this set for dinner. Stores away real fast and easy. Let's talk about the over-the-cab bunk. Move this TV in so we can get a good look. You have a privacy curtain if you want to pull that all the way across there. You move this. Then your ladder stores in the back, you set that up, you climb up, and you are having a great time up here. Again, you have a vent fan up here. You have 2 vents there for the AC unit, cup holders in the back. So a nice over-the-cab bunk here for you, your guests. Charging right here, throw the phone, throw the tablet in here, USB-A ports right there to keep all your devices charged. And then over here, our control panel. So before we get into the driver's seat, I want to talk about controlling all the features and functions in your four winds. From this panel right here, this is how you're going to start and stop your generator. 2 generator options on here. This has the standard 4,000 watt propane generator. If you would like to option in a 3,200 watt diesel generator, you can make that happen. Quick press of the button here, and we're checking our propane, our fresh tank, our black tank, and our gray tank. Slide wall in or out here. Step, this does have the step that goes out, and if you'd like to leave it out when you're set up at camp, you just press that button and turn it on. Ceiling lights here, water pump here, tank heaters here, so standard tank heaters on your black and gray tank. Then over here, you're gonna have controls for your awning light, your step light, cargo bay lights. 1 switch turns on all the lights. Your 12-volt battery disconnect switch. Down below that, controls for your electric stabilizing jacks. Below that, we have the control panel for our 100 watts of solar charging, so you can look at how much charge is coming in. You can look at the history, really keep an eye on everything you need for the solar panel on top through there. And then the other control panel down here is where you dial in the auto gen start settings you want, from temperature to voltage, from quiet time. You make that happen right from there. A lot more controls to talk about, and all of those happen right from the driver's seat. Push button start, fires up that i4. Great efficient motor under the hood, 208 horsepower, 332 pound-feet of torque, 9-speed transmission, paddle shifters, makes you feel like a little race car driver when you want, but it is also great when you are towing and have something on that 5,000 pound hitch. The other thing I love about when you're towing, I'm just gonna point this out right away because this mirror is always on, going to show you what's behind you when you are in reverse. There's volume as well. Great for backing into those tight areas. Quick spin through the dash here. We're gonna start right over here on the door panel. We have controls for our mirrors. We have controls for our windows, heated power seats. They swivel just like this, so you can swivel these around and they become part of your living area, so you can really set this up for entertaining. Auto headlights over here, stalks for windshield wipers, gear shift, all the standard features right here. A lot of controls on the steering wheel. We will start right over here on this side. This is just going to scroll through all of the everyday features, service reminders. You can dial in some driving assist here, trip meters, navigation, radio, media, phone, and then dial in some settings as well. Your adaptive cruise control settings are here. You adjust the distance of you and the vehicle in front of you with this button here. We slide over to this panel. This is going to mirror everything you do on your infotainment center. This has everything you need. From the home screen, you can pair your phone for Bluetooth calls, navigation, radio. You have Sirius XM satellite radio, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Connect your device for media. Info, one of my favorite geeky little gearhead things. You can take and put this engine display on, and then when you are down the road and you have the hammer down, you can see your performance, how much torque and how much horsepower this Four Winds is laying down. You can even read the owner's manual. Then you go over to Mercedes and Me. This is an app you're going to want to download on your phone so you can keep track of your Four Winds through the Mercedes and Me app. And then when you get into settings, this is where you can take and really dial in the safety features of your Four Winds, because this has just about every single safety feature you can think of. As you go into traffic sign assist, active lane keeping assist, active braking assist, attention assist. So dial this in, make it work for you, set the chime, set the tone, great safety features to have on board. Go over to vehicle, a couple of adjustments here, such as the delay for the lights up above. There are hard buttons down below here. HVAC controls are here. More cup holders than you could ever use on a trip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So lots of places for ice cold beverages and lots of places to store all the things you need. This is my favorite little storage bin here because this is a wireless charger up here. You have a number of USB-C ports to charge, and the one over here is how you're going to take and wire in your phone, whether it is the Android Auto or the Apple CarPlay. Set your phone in there, all your text, everything will pop right up here on the infotainment center for hands-free calls. All the things you need to do to keep yourself safe and your eyes on the road to get you to your destination, which is exactly what we are going to do now. Set up camp and walk around the exterior of this Four Winds. We're going to start right up front because I love the way this looks with the black and white paint. Again, this is the Raven edition. The nice headlights that wrap around, your fog lights. You have this durable step up here if you need to wipe off the window. One-piece fiberglass front cap. Courtesy lights right here. As we work our way down all 25 feet, 10 inches of this 24 LV. Up top, a nice awning that goes from front all the way to back, and this is gonna throw out some serious shade. All you have to do is press the button, hold it down, and this awning will come right out. Real easy to adjust the pitch on this as well. Create some shade for your campsite, set up the chairs, set up the grill, have at it, and enjoy your time away in the 24 LV. Right down here, nice storage bay. Maybe you're gonna store the chairs in here. Couple of 110s, turn on the generator or be plugged into shore power and then hook up a blender, whatever you need. Outdoor gadgets there. Nice storage bay here. Fit whatever you need inside of this. This is gonna be a great way to store all your gear. Down here, that is going to be your 4,000 watt propane generator. And again, you can option in the 3,200 watt diesel generator. Right down here, this is going to be your exterior propane connection. Hook up a grill. Where are you gonna put the grill? How about right in here? The size of this storage bay is unbelievable. We got the grill, the cooler, the bike. There's a nice rack in back where you can hang whatever it is you need. Massive, massive amount of storage on this 24 LV. So we work our way around back. I want to point out you have a nice steel bumper back here. One-piece fiberglass upper cap with the integrated camera into your brake light. Then down below, we have our 5,000-pound hitch. We have our 7-pin connector right there. This has the standard electric stabilizing jacks you can use to take the wobble out of your Four Winds when you are set up at camp, and setting up is really, really easy. All your connections are over here, including the other door for the giant pass-through storage. This is where we loaded up the bike. That is ready to go. And then check it out. Everything you need is right here. 30 amp detachable shore power cord, connect cable at camp, exterior shower, hot and cold. When you are dry camping, you need your water pump on to run this. Again, tankless hot water on board. Down below, I love this bay because this makes winterizing and taking care of your 24 LV easy. Fresh water tank drain is here. You have a 30-gallon fresh water tank. This makes it really easy to winterize. Your water pump is here, so maintenance super easy on your 24 LV. City water connection is right here. Right here, this is going to be your black and your gray tank, 30-gallon black tank, 37-gallon gray tank. Again, you do have heat pads on here. You just hook up the old Stinky Slinky, which stores conveniently right here, and you are set to drain your tanks. Propane connection, again, propane for your hot water, for your heat, for that exterior propane connection. That is right here. That takes us right up here to our 24.5-gallon fuel tank, diesel fuel on this baby. And then we are right back up front. What a cool looking motorhome. Not only does it look cool inside, it's cool to drive, it's awesome to live in. It does all the things you need a small Class C RV to do. So right now, why don't you hop online to thormotorcoach.com and build your own 4Winds 24 LV.